friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product review. And in today's video we are going to review an exhaust fan for the kitchen, and this is from Usha. So guys, this is the product that we have here, the Usha Aeroclean. So guys, this is the Usha Aeroclean exhaust fan that we have here, and this is the product that we are going to review today. So let's get down to the review of the product. This is the Usha Aeroclean exhaust fan, and this is from the brand Usha. So let's look at the packaging first of all. This exhaust fan comes packaged in this cardboard box. Right here we can see the Usha branding here, and the illustration of the exhaust fan shown here. The product name is Aeroclean. This is for oil industry kitchen, so that is what is their main USP. The speed of the fan is 1325 RPM, which is quite good. This is the tagline, "Goodbye oil and dust." It's inspired by the lotus, which is known for its oil and dirt repelling properties. Exhaust fans for a cleaner kitchen and a healthier life. So this exhaust fan has a sweep of 230 millimeters. And let's look at the features of this. So again, here we can see the branding, the name of the product, Aeroclean, and let's look at the features of the product. First of all, this fan is dust resistant, so there won't be any dust buildup on the fan. Oil and moisture resistant, that is one of the best features I think about this fan, is the oil and moisture resistant coating of this fan, because that is the worst thing to clean, right? That is one of the biggest problem I had with the exhaust fan earlier, is that a lot of oil, the sticky oil and moisture used to get collected on the fan, and it would be very difficult to get the fan clean. The coating is scratch and stain resistant as well. It comes with a 100% copper motor, which means higher lifespan for the fan. Powerful high air suction performance, which is good, so it will reduce the smoke in the kitchen very fast. And this product comes with a 2 years warranty from the company. How good is that? So all of these amazing features and only are available in the Usha Aeroclean, which is an amazing exhaust fan here. The speed is 1325 RPMs. Now let's move on to the other side of the pack. It's the same thing, same Usha branding, Aeroclean branding here. And here again the Usha, marketed by Usha International, registered office addresses, etc. are given here. Now coming on top of the pack, what we have here. So it says one quantity of Usha, model is Aeroclean, manufactured in November 2020. The voltage used by this fan is 230, frequency 50 Hz, wattage is 48 watts, speed RPM is 1325, and the cost MRP is 1500. So the MRP of the Usha Aeroclean is 1500. So now let's go ahead and unpack this product. So here we go. So we are quickly going to unbox it. Stay the cello tape off. And here go. We are just going to unbox the product. I'm going to show it to you all. Cardboard, piece of cardboard, and guys, here is the Usha fan here. This is the fan that we have. So it's come packed inside a plastic bag right here. And what else do we have in the box? This was supporting cardboard that was there. Inside there's a lot of supporting cardboard around. And then there's this plastic grill is there. There's a plastic grill which also has the Usha branding on it, if you'll see this. This is made out of plastic. This grill is made out of plastic. But coming to the body of the fan is made out of metal. So that's not plastic. So that is metal. So guys, let's go ahead and unpack the fan. We saw the grill that come with the fan. Now let's go ahead and unpack the fan itself. It has come in a plastic cover here. So we just need to unpack it. Here we go. First of all, there is a warranty card inside. So you can see the Usha warranty card here. There's a 2 years warranty. Light duty exhaust fan, it says. And here's the warranty card here. the 2 years warranty that they have given here, and this is the terms of use and how it works. So this is the warranty card for the fan that we have got here with it. And now coming to the main fan itself, this is the exhaust fan, and this is a Usha Aeroclean fan. So this is what the fan looks like. So this is a 9-inch fan that we have here. Right, so this is a 9-inch fan here, and completely made out of metal. Now the best part of this fan is that it is oil and dust proof. It has an oil and dust proof coating. Basically this coating, the shiny coating you all can see here, is made to make the fan oil and dust proof. So due to this coating on the fan, there won't be any oil, moisture or dust which will be settling on the fan. So that is a unique feature of this fan which is there. The speed of the fan is 1325 RPMs, and you can see it's completely made out of metal. The fan is made out of metal. It's not a plastic fan, it's a metal fan. This is the point wire that they have given to connect to the plug point. So they do not have a plug point that comes with it, but they provide you with a wire which you can attach a plug point, or you can directly connect it to the switch. So that is a wire that you get with it. This is the motor of the fan. This is the motor part of the fan where the motor is, and here the OK tested label is there, says that this fan is okay and it has been tested and it works as per requirement. Right here we can see the Usha branding on it. You can see the Usha branding and the Aeroclean written here, which is the name of the model, Aeroclean. Serial number is given here. It's an exhaust fan. Sweep is 23 centimeters, is 230 millimeters. Made in India. Voltage it requires 230 volts AC current, 50 hertz. Wattage is 48 watts consumption. So yeah, that's the information available here. And yeah, like overall build quality looks nice and tough. The metal quality or metal use looks nice. I'm really impressed with this coating that they are given. Very silky smooth coating on which there won't be any oil, moisture or dirt that will gather. That's the only reason I bought this fan, because that's the issue I faced with the earlier exhaust, that it was full of moisture, oil and stuff. Even if oil gets on this, it will be easy to clean because it will easily wipe off using a dry cloth. You'll be easily able to wipe it off. That's the best part of this fan. So yeah, that is the main feature of this fan. So guys, this is the Usha Aeroclean fan, which is for oil and dust-free kitchens. So guys, this is an exhaust fan. It's a one-way exhaust. It doesn't have a two-way plug to it. So it's a one-way exhaust. It will just run in one direction, that is outside. And yeah, that is the way the fan is designed. It's a one-way exhaust fan. So guys, if you are planning to buy the Usha Aeroclean fan, exhaust fan, I'll left the link in the description below. You can purchase it from Amazon. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.